Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells. Today we're going to be making Mediterranean stuffed eggplant. Some of the items are from the Lincoln Middle School Community Garden. Let's get started. Go ahead and cut the top off of this eggplant, and we're going to cut it long ways. Now we need to hollow out a little piece. We're going to create a little bowl. Now we're going to take those and put them into our baking dish. We need to take a little bit of olive oil on top. Okay, we need to put this in an oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Okay, first thing we need to do is go ahead and peel this eggplant, dice it up, and set it off to the side. Now we're going to do the same thing with the zucchini, yellow squash, and white onion. Now we need to get our saute pan on medium heat, and a little bit of cooking oil. All right, we're going to add our onion, our zucchini, our yellow squash, and that other eggplant. Put a little salt and pepper on there. We're going to saute this for almost 5 minutes. We want it to be good and soft.
Hi, my name is Steven Safarikos. I'm the resident dietitian for Pike Township, and I'm here to give you some nutrition tidbits. Today's recipe includes eggplant, which is a purple vegetable. And we always want people to eat all their different colors of vegetables, and purple vegetables are really high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and they're very good for brain health.
Okay, we saute for another couple minutes. That garlic is in there good. So now we need to take some of our ingredients, and we're going to fill our eggplant that we hollowed out. Now we're going to take some of our Parmesan cheese. We're going to top that off, and we're going to top it with a little more olive oil. All right, we're going back into the oven, 10 minutes. And now we're ready to eat. Delicious.